Hello friends, welcome to my channel Welding and Entity. Our today's topic is porosity. So porosity is a welding defect and it is like cavity. It is a cavity like discontinuity and it is formed due to the entrapped gases. Due to the entrapped gases in the molten weld pool. So suppose if this is the drawing of welding. So during welding, this weld pool is in the molten stage and gradually it cools or gradually it solidifies. So during this solidification process, if some gases will be entrapped in the molten weld pool, then it remains here itself and it forms porosity. See, this porosity are generally in spherical shape, but it may be elongated also like this. Like this. So it can be spherical, it can be elongated also. And a very important thing is that this porosity occurs on surface or on the subsurface mostly. So it occurs mostly on the surface of or subsurface. Here at the surface the cavity will be formed, or right below the surface the cavity will be formed. So what are the gases which are generally entrapped? That I will tell you. So the gases which are entrapped are mostly hydrogen. Hydrogen is the main gas which forms porosity. Means most of the porosity are a result of entrapment of hydrogen gas. So along with hydrogen, some other gases are also which causes porosity in the weld metal, that is oxygen, nitrogen, then you have carbon dioxide CO2, carbon monoxide CO, hydrogen sulfide H2S, hydrogen sulfide, then you have argon and helium. So these are the principal gases which causes porosity in molten weld pool. As I told you, this hydrogen gas is the major cause of porosity. So please remember this, the hydrogen gas is the major cause of the porosity. Now friends, we'll discuss two more things. One is the types of porosity. See, there are 5 different types of porosity. I'll name those. First type of porosity is scattered porosity. Scattered porosity. The second type of porosity is cluster porosity. Cluster porosity. The third type is piping porosity. Piping porosity. The fourth type is aligned porosity. And the fifth and the last type is elongated porosity. So these are the 5 types of porosity which occurs in a weld pool, molten weld pool. So I'll explain these porosities also, but first let me explain the causes and the remedies of porosity. Then I'll explain these 5 types of porosity. So if I say the causes, so the first cause is excessive gases like hydrogen, nitrogen or oxygen in atmosphere or in welding atmosphere. The position where we are doing the welding, at that space, if there will be excessive hydrogen, nitrogen or oxygen, then chances of porosity will be there. Now what are the remedies for this? So to avoid this, we can use low hydrogen electrode. Low hydrogen electrode. And we can also use other filler metals which are high in deoxidizers. Deoxidizers. And we can also do one more thing. We can increase the shielding gas. Increase the shielding gas. So by increasing the shielding gas, we can remove the excess hydrogen, nitrogen or oxygen which are present in the atmosphere. The second cause is high solidification rate. High solidification rate. If I say high solidification rate, it is like, see, suppose some gas is entrapped in the molten weld pool. So what happens? This gas tries to escape from the molten weld pool. So if this weld pool remains molten for a long period of time, then this gas will automatically escape and chances of porosity will be less. But if it will solidify very fast, then this molten weld pool or these entrapped gases will not get a chance to escape from the molten weld pool. So high solidification rate is one of the causes, and to remedy of this cause is preheat. Either we can preheat or we can increase the heat input. Increase heat input. So by increasing heat input, we can avoid this. The third cause is dirty base metal or filler metal. So the filler metal or the base metal which we are doing the welding might be dirty, might not be clean. So what happens? Some compounds will be there which will form gases, and those gases will be entrapped. So we have to clean the base metal as well as we have to check the filler metal that it should be free from dirt, grease, everything, every foreign material. So the remedy is to clean before welding. Clean the joint faces. And in case of filler metal, you can use the packaged filler wire, and those filler wires should be stored in a very confined place. So the fourth cause is improper arc length, welding current or electrode manipulation. So this is also one of the causes, and if such thing is happening, then you can change your welding technique. Change your welding technique and procedure to avoid this. Welding technique and procedure. So you can change your welding procedure to avoid this. Now fifth one is galvanized steel. If the steel is galvanized, so if the steel is galvanized, then first remove the zinc. Remove the zinc from the steel, then do the welding. And finally, sixth and the last cause is excessive moisture. Excessive moisture in the electrode or base metal near the joint. So this excessive moisture must be removed, and baking and storing of electrodes should be in a controlled manner. And also if you preheat the joint, then excessive moisture will also be removed. Now friends, these are the causes and remedies of porosity. Now as I told you about the different types of porosity, That I will explain. The first type I told you is scattered porosity. So in scattered porosity, the porosity may be, suppose this is our weld joint. Here this is our welding. So in scattered porosity, the porosity may be distributed throughout. It may be distributed in random manner. So this is scattered porosity. Friends, before explaining scattered porosity, let me show you the photograph of porosity. See, here you can see this porosity on the surface, the cavity or the entrapped gases which have come out during solidification. So these are the porosity. Here also you can see the holes, pores, these pores, and here these porosities has been revealed or detected after dye penetrant test. So these are the porosities, entrapped gases which has formed porosity. Now this is scattered porosity. The second porosity which I told you is the cluster, and it is very famous name, cluster porosity. In cluster porosity, actually it is a localized grouping of pores, localized grouping of pores or porosity. So some pores will be localized at a single place, confined at a single place. Like this is our welding. So here pores will be confined here, many pores. So this is cluster porosity. Now the third type is piping porosity. Piping porosity. See, piping porosity is a porosity whose length will be greater than the width. See, if the porosity here, if the length of the porosity will be greater than the width, then it will be a piping porosity. And one more condition is there. This is the first condition. Second condition of a piping porosity is it lies approximately perpendicular to the weld face. Perpendicular to the weld face. Suppose this is our welding, then this is the face. So it lies like this, in this manner, weld face. This is the face. So in this manner. This is piping porosity. Now fourth one is aligned porosity. Aligned porosity. So friends, aligned porosity is also known as linear porosity. Linear porosity. So from the name itself you would have understood. See, this is a localized array of spherical or elongated pores oriented along the line. Suppose this is your welding. So like this porosity will be oriented in a line across the weld. So this is linear porosity. Now finally we have elongated porosity. Fifth one is elongated porosity. So elongated porosity, it resembles in shape to piping porosity. Means here also the length of this porosity will be greater than width, but it lies parallel to the weld axis. The second condition of is it lies parallel to weld axis. Here this was perpendicular to weld face and this is parallel to weld axis. Means this is our, if this is our weld axis, then the elongated porosity will be oriented like this. So friends, these were the 5 types of porosity. If you like this video friends, please hit the like button. Thank you very much.